2001 Ultra Motorcycle Company Fat Pounder. Price, $8,000. Mileage, 500 original miles. Location, Fort Worth, Texas. A true custom chopper survivor, this 2001 Ultra Motorcycle Company Fat Pounder is an absolute beast built for riders who appreciate real power and classic custom craftsmanship. Producing around 120 horsepower from a massive 113-inch SNS V-twin engine, it delivers hard-hitting acceleration and an aggressive presence that's impossible to ignore. The bike remains in beautiful near-original condition with authentic House of Color paint, inverted front forks, and quality Metzeler rubber. Recently serviced with all fluids and filters changed, it's fully dialed in and ready to ride. With only about 2,500 original miles garage kept, insured at $10,500, and holding a clean Texas Blue title in the owner's name, this Fat Pounder represents a rare opportunity to own a well-preserved, high-horsepower custom chopper that's both collectible and thrilling to ride. 2011 Custom Chopper. Price, $12,345. Mileage, 1,000 miles. Location, Bellevue, Nebraska. A meticulously built 2011 custom chopper designed to stand out with bold style and quality craftsmanship. With only 1,000 miles, this bike has seen very limited use and remains in excellent condition. The manual transmission delivers an engaging ride, while the carefully chosen components and clean custom details give it a strong visual presence. Built with attention to detail and performance in mind, it's an eye-catching machine that runs and rides as good as it looks. Offered with interest in trades for meaningful father and son project vehicles, this chopper represents not just a motorcycle, but an opportunity for the next owner to enjoy a truly personal custom-built ride with character and soul. 2001 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail Classic 1,450 cubic centimeters. Price, $5,000 OBO. Mileage, approximately 68,000 miles. Location, Fredericktown, Missouri. A solid and well-running 2001 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail Classic powered by the dependable 1,450 cubic centimeters V-twin engine. This bike has been ridden as intended and shows roughly 68,000 miles, yet it still runs strong and reliable. The classic Heritage styling offers comfortable cruising with timeless Harley character, making it a great choice for long rides or relaxed weekend cruising. The motorcycle has a clean title in hand and is in overall good condition, though a rear tire will be needed soon. Priced at $5,000 OBO, this is a great opportunity to own a classic Softail at an affordable price. Serious buyers only, no low offers. 2001 Special Construction Panhead Chopper. Price, $8,888. Mileage, 5,000 miles. Location, Des Moines, Iowa. A raw and authentic 2001 Special Construction Panhead chopper built for riders who appreciate true old-school Harley style. Set up as a hardtail, this bike is powered by a strong 88-inch S&S Panhead engine paired with a ratchet-top 4-speed transmission geared for highway cruising. Finished in bold orange, it carries a classic no-nonsense chopper attitude that looks right at home on the open road or at bike nights. With only 5,000 miles, a fresh battery, and a recent tune-up, it runs strong and is ready to ride. This Panhead is all about simplicity, sound, and soul, an ideal choice for someone looking for a true vintage-style chopper with modern S&S reliability. 1998 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. Price, $5,000. Mileage, 39,768 miles. Location, Quincy, Illinois. A bold 1998 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy finished in eye-catching purple, combining classic Harley styling with reliable performance. Powered by the strong 1,340 cubic centimeters Evo engine and paired with a manual transmission, it delivers smooth power, plenty of torque, and a signature Harley rumble that every rider loves. With 39,768 miles, the bike has been ridden and well-maintained, offering dependable performance for cruising, weekend rides, or long-distance journeys. Its muscular stance, wide tires, and iconic Fat Boy styling make it a head-turner wherever it goes. A solid, classic Harley ready to ride, offering a perfect mix of performance, comfort, and vintage attitude. 2005 Harley-Davidson Road King. Price, $5,500. Mileage, 55,664 miles. Location, Rogers, Arkansas. A reliable 2005 Harley-Davidson Road King in classic green, built for long-distance comfort and iconic touring style. Equipped with a manual transmission and Harley's legendary V-twin engine, it starts easily and delivers smooth, dependable power on every ride. Features include a front fairing for wind protection, a comfortable backrest, and additional touring amenities, making it ideal for both weekend cruises and extended road trips. With 55,664 miles, the bike has been well used and maintained, offering a solid combination of performance, comfort, and classic Harley appeal. Perfect for riders seeking a versatile touring machine with the unmistakable presence of a Road King. 1995 Evo Sportster Chopper. Price, $7,250. Location, Keller, Texas. A highly customized 1995 Evo Sportster chopper built for riders who demand both style and performance. Raked and twisted by filthy gringos, the hardtail frame is finished in matte gray powder coat with a stunning huffer paint job featuring LSD microflake for show-stopping appeal. The bike is powered by a 1,200 cubic centimeters Evo motor paired with a Super E-Carb and Ultima electronic ignition, delivering smooth, reliable power with zero leaks or issues. This Evo Sportster runs like a champ and is a true head-turner, perfect for enthusiasts who value artistry, power, and flawless execution in a custom chopper. 2008 Bourget Bike Works Low Blow Softail Chopper, Breast Cancer Awareness Edition. Price: $14,995. Mileage: 962 miles. Location: Florida. A one-of-a-kind 2008 Bourget Bike Works low-blow softail chopper, specially built for breast cancer awareness and limited to just 8 in existence. Finished in stunning bubblegum pink metallic pearl with Escalade white pearl accents, this rare chopper features custom pink Celtic cancer awareness ribbons on the fuel tank and rear fender, all layered under multiple coats of clear for a flawless finish. Only 962 miles and one meticulous owner, it has spent its life in a climate-controlled showroom, making it practically brand new. Power comes from a show-polished 113 Ci, 1,851 cubic centimeters, SNS V-twin engine with a Primo Brute 3.5-inch open-belt primary and polished 6-speed GEMS transmission. Every detail has been crafted to perfection: polished rocker heads, billet foot pegs, hand controls, levers, a 5-gallon fuel tank, and a genuine leather seat embroidered with a pink ribbon. Fully serviced with new HD battery, fresh oil and filter, brake service, and a complete detail, this low-blow chopper is an ultra-rare collector's masterpiece. Powerful, gorgeous, and meaningful. Perfect for collectors or riders looking for a show-stopping, meaningful custom build. 2002 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. Price: $4,800. Mileage: 17,000 miles. Location: Janesville, Wisconsin.
Ice cold. Could be cluttered from last night.
A 2002 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy with custom paint and a classic Harley presence, offering both style and reliable performance. Finished in green, this bike has been carefully maintained with new tires, fresh intake gaskets, and a rebuilt carburetor to ensure smooth running. With 17,000 miles, it has plenty of life left and rides strong, delivering the signature Fat Boy stance and rumble. It also comes with 3 extra seats for versatility, making it ideal for long rides or showing off in style. A well-maintained head-turning cruiser that combines classic Fat Boy attitude with thoughtful upgrades and customization. 2008 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail Classic. Price: $16,800. Mileage: 19,384 miles. Location: Longview, Texas. A beautifully maintained 2008 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail Classic in striking orange, combining classic touring comfort with custom flair. With only 19,384 miles and 2 owners, this bike has been cared for meticulously. It features extensive chrome accents, a custom leather seat, and intricate custom leatherwork, giving it a unique, personalized touch while maintaining the iconic heritage styling. Powered by Harley's reliable V-twin engine and paired with a smooth manual transmission, it delivers the unmistakable Harley rumble and confident road presence. Perfect for cruising long distances or showing off at bike events, this Heritage Softail Classic blends performance, comfort, and eye-catching style in one impressive package. 2004 Ultima Fat Bastard Softail. Price: $7,500. Location: Granite City, Illinois.
I have here a 2004 Fat Bastard made by Ultima. It's a fast motorcycle. It's got a 113 El Bruto package on it. If you want to look it up, it's the biggest of everything. Stroker cranks, big cams. It's a very fast motorcycle. I've done a lot to it. The fairing and stuff like that I've done to it. Needs some paint work done. But other than that, it's a great motorcycle.
A 2004 Ultima Fat Bastard Softail, a bold custom build with aggressive styling and powerful performance. This Softail features a muscular frame and classic chopper lines, making it a head-turner on every ride. Built for riders who love a strong presence and smooth handling, it combines the iconic V-twin power with a custom Softail suspension for a comfortable yet thrilling ride. This Fat Bastard delivers all the custom appeal and raw attitude you'd expect from a high-quality Softail build. 2001 Harley-Davidson Softail, one of a kind. Price: $12,000. Mileage: 3,200 miles. Location: Omaha, Nebraska.
Oh man, look at that baby. Up, ready to roll. Too bad I can't ride it.
A unique, one-of-a-kind 2001 Harley-Davidson Softail finished in bold red, featuring a powerful RevTech 100 CI motor and numerous custom upgrades. With just 3,200 miles, this bike has been lightly ridden and meticulously maintained, offering a nearly new riding experience. The Softail frame delivers a smooth, comfortable ride, while the upgraded engine and custom modifications ensure strong performance and unmistakable presence on the road. Perfect for collectors or riders looking for a rare, high-quality custom Harley that stands out from the crowd, combining style, power, and exclusivity in a single exceptional package. 2015 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler. Price: $21,000 OBO. Mileage: 4,433 miles. Location: Tecumseh, Oklahoma.
That's good stuff.
A vibrant 2015 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler in striking orange, offering the stability of a trike with the classic Harley style and performance. With only 4,433 miles, it has been lightly ridden and is in excellent condition. Powered by Harley's reliable V-twin engine and paired with a smooth manual transmission, it delivers a comfortable, confident, and fun ride for both short cruises and long-distance adventures. Its unique three-wheel design provides exceptional stability while maintaining the iconic Harley attitude and rumble. Perfect for riders who want a standout low-mileage freewheeler that combines comfort, power, and eye-catching style in one thrilling package.